Did you know some Americans are earning hundreds of dollars every year just by using the right credit card? In fact, some cards give you a $200 to $500 bonus just for signing up. But if you choose the wrong one, it can actually cost you money. In this video, I'll show you the best credit cards in the USA for 2026, especially for beginners. No confusion, no complicated terms, just simple and smart choices. First, let's talk about cashback cards. These cards give you a percentage of your spending back as real money. For example, if you spend $100, you can get $2 to $5 back. Best for groceries, gas, online shopping. Why it's powerful. You're already spending money, now you're getting paid for it. Next, we have travel credit cards. These cards give you points for flights, hotels, and vacations. Some cards even give free airport lounge access, free travel insurance. If you travel even once a year, this can save you hundreds of dollars. If you're new and don't have a credit score, don't worry. You can start with secured credit cards, student credit cards. These are designed to help you build your credit safely. Pro tip: start small and always pay your bill on time. Before choosing any credit card, remember these three rules. No annual fee for beginners, good cashback or rewards, low interest rate, and most importantly, never spend money you don't have. Many people make these mistakes, paying late, maxing out cards, applying for too many cards. This can destroy your credit score. Use credit cards smartly, not emotionally. If you use the right credit card, it can actually make you money. Start small, stay consistent, and build your financial future step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart money tips for the USA.